Hello Keto Dorks, here's the bangin'est recipe for keto meatballs. We're going to start with some grass-fed 80% beef. We got onions, garlic. Now we're going to drop in our spices, our dry spices. Here comes the Parmesan cheese, our almond flour. We're going to put 2 eggs in there. 1, 2. We're going to mix this up until it's all perfectly incorporated. Looks good. And now we're going to put these in the meatballs. Don't squeeze them too tight. Try to be gentle with them so they don't get too squished. Otherwise they'll get more tough when you eat them. And that's it for them. We're going to brown these in the pan. Here we go. Brown them on all sides before we bake them. That way they taste a lot better. They look better. They have a little nice texture to the skin. We're going to bake this on parchment paper. Put this in at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 20-25 minutes, and then they should be ready to serve after about 10 minutes. As you can see, they fit in perfectly with any keto dinner, and they're about 1.4 grams of carbs, about 240 calories each. This makes about 12. Have a great day.